Hey guys, what is up? Today it's another Q&A Friday. So, as you guys have not figured out, this is gonna be my new intro type thing, for Q&A Fridays. So it's a Q&A Friday. Anyways, like I said, Q&A Friday. This is gonna be a continuous series, hopefully. And I actually want to try to teach you guys ASL. I kind of thought that would be a cool video to do, so comment down below if you think I should do that video. Alright, I'll be right back. Okay guys, I have 6 questions on Gamer Chase right at this moment. As I'm recording this video, there's actually someone going to be putting a comment in, that's why there's 6. But anyways, Joseph S. asked, what is your favorite scary movie? Honestly, I don't know if I really have a scary movie, but if I would have to pick, it would have to be Scary Movie. I don't know if he means Scary Movie, like 1, 2, or 3, even 5, 4, 6, 7, 8. I don't even know how many there is, I forget. Or if he means like Scary Movie as in complete scary movies. But I like Scream. Scream. Okay. The next question is from one of my favorite fans, or my best fans, Tony Twine. What is your celebrity crush? I honestly don't have a celebrity crush. I know it's not because I'm dating Aaron and I can't say it. I mean, I legit don't have one. But if I would pick a celebrity crush, it would seriously have to be Nicki Minaj. Maybe Selena Gomez. Ariana Grande. I don't know, like, there's so many. What is your celebrity crush? Who is one of my really celebrity crush? Those are singers. Not Kim Possible, what's her name? Kim Kardashian, she's a celebrity, she's pretty hot looking, right? Anyways, Sir Teddy Frodsey asked, what is your what about Valentine's Day? I don't know what you mean, but I'm gonna just guess that you mean what am I doing for Valentine's Day? We don't celebrate Valentine's Day in my family. I'm not going to get into that story. But not, like I said, I'm not getting into that story. But if you're talking about what I'm doing for Valentine's Day, I figure we'll be doing that Sunday, going to Sadie Hawkins' dance. If you don't know what Sadie Hawkins' dance is, well, where have you been? You're crazy. Sadie's is where the boy or the girl asks the boy to a dance. Pretty much it. Melanie, my other pretty good fan on YouNow. By the way, subscribe if you haven't already. Melanie says, how is your school like where you are? My school's pretty good. I mean, I love going there. I love school. I'm one of those kids, if you've watched one of my videos, what was it? It was like last week's video. But by the way, speaking of video, just looked at my board. Okay, anyways, as I said, thank you. As I said, school's pretty fun. I can't wait. I can't wait until the Monday. I bet I can't wait till Sunday, so. Anyways, my Tony subscribe. I'm guessing this is Tony. I don't remember. But she said describe or subscribe. She said subscribe, but she meant describe your favorite childhood memory. And I put this actually. My favorite childhood memory. I don't really have a childhood memory. Okay, I do remember my one memory. our playroom used to be in our basement. I don't know if I've ever been there, down there in a vlog or something, but... Oh yeah, I did a dance video, so I'll link that in the description maybe, if I don't forget. But my favorite childhood memory, or not my favorite, but the one I really remember, is we were cleaning our playroom. That's what that used to be, our playroom. And it's my sister, Paige. I think you guys know her. She's been in a couple of videos. Well, I leaned down to pick up a toy, and she did the same thing. But I was near her butt. And she farted in my face. I have that fond memory, but I don't remember... Do I have a favorite memory? Okay, so this isn't... I'm going to tell you the full story, but this isn't my favorite childhood memory until I'll tell you where it gets to my favorite childhood memory. But when I was little, I was like 5. I think it was 5. I just went into 2nd grade, and I broke my arm. I rolled down the stairs, our playroom stairs, basement stairs, went past my sister, and slammed and broke these 2 bones, this bone right here, and this bone somewhere in here, into 2 pieces. It was somewhere in here, I think. It was at my wrist, and it broke into 2 pieces. And I got a concussion. That's why I'm so dumb, people. I'm kidding. But moral of the story is I'm at the hospital, and I remember my principal at the time. I wish I saw him today at school. And I'm going to pause the video here for a moment. I had to read something real quick. I got an email or message. But anyways, my principal, Mr. Kleppard, came and saw me, plus the special ed director at the time, Mrs. Alito, came to visit me at the hospital. That's one of my favorite memories because those 2, I was pretty close to. Like, when I was little, I remember I really liked them. Like, you know what I mean? When I was little, like, you're little, whatever. But they both retired. One of my teachers at the high school actually, well, used to be my teacher at the high school, husband works there. And then Mrs. Fulton, one of our, whatever, she's a special ed department now. But anyways, Amina, my good friend, asked, what is your favorite TV series? My favorite TV series at the moment is Beyond. Because I love how the mystery comes out. Like, I just love mysteries. That's just one of my things. Right now, there's episodes every Thursday, but right now, we're on season 3. I think there's a season 3. So, we're waiting on that season, because next week, there's no episode. There's no episode next week. Remember? Alright, anyways guys, I'm going to end the episode here. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you comment down below if you want more questions, or if you want me to answer any other questions that I did not answer. And hope you guys like this one. Bye. Peace. Alright, tell me. I'll see you guys then. Bye. Peace out.